twin brother. So how do you feel about it?
Okay lang, wala naman competition po kasi that's my brother. He is my best friend since day one. If anything, I am so proud of him and I'm so happy for him with how he's doing with Mutya and the whole cast of Mutya in Section E. A big congratulations to them and I always tell them that. So in terms of competition or pressure when it comes to my family, wala po ganun. Wala. Support lang. Support at love.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin from ABS-CBN, we have Ana Cerezo.
Hello! Congratulations. Yung first question ko kay Direk, besides na di ba we're tackling yung mga issues ng education dito, ano pa yung mga tema na nagagawin itong very Pinoy? Saka di ba you're translating it from a movie to a series, parang ano ba yung magiging perks nito na series siya, mas develop pa yung characters, parang nabanggit nyo kanina?
For one thing, if you remember the movie, just tackles the each character nung apat. Hindi nga sila ganong na-involved doon sa, or hindi nga sila, they don't go deep about each character eh. Parang it's about the mechanics and about how the heist happened at kung paano nila ginawa. I'm so proud of Viva for this one because their directives are different na kumbaga is we have to bring it in a Filipino audience, in a Filipino flavor. So, of course, we are family-oriented, diba? So parang doon sa part na yun, binuksan namin yung series to explore each personality of each character. Na kung sino ba sila outside the school. And then, ano ba yung personality nila with their family. We have a short idea of the series and the film as well na kung sino si Lynn with the father and then si Pat, the relationship niya. Pero kumbaga dito, mas nilalima namin. We show them the other facet of bakit ba sila ganito? Bakit ba ganito si Pat? Ano ba yung relationship niya with his family? Or si Grace? Ano ba yung other side of Grace na hindi niya nakikita? Bakit ganito siya as sa school? The same went back, di ba? So, yun yung mga bagay na tinagdag namin dito. At the same time, inad din namin yun siguro, I would say, yung personality nila sa school na hindi pa nakikita. Ang dami nilang kailangan abangan. For example, for the character of Natasha, for Lynn, and then also kay Bang. Ang daming, di ba, if you remember the series, hindi mo alam and the movie as well. Meron bang something sa kanila or wala dito? Yun, isa yung mga bagay na abangan nila. Of course, si Gab and at the same time si Haya, yung ganong mga bagay.
Thank you, Direk. For Gab and Haya naman, diba meron kayo before ng series rin na set in a school setting, right? So dito ba, meron pa rin bang kilig factor ni Direk? And paano naman kayo, if meron, paano naman yung pakilig niyo dito? Level up na ba?
How much can we share without spoiling? I would say, of course, it's given our characters are already together to show. I would say, though, the difference is that our characters have a very much different relationship dynamic as kay Elise and Sally. So that's just something that you'll have to, watch out for, look forward to. But yeah, there will be some kilig factors as
Sa meron?
Yeah, like what Direk said, yung si Pat kasi malalim rin siya na tao compare sa sa Chasing in the Wild, which is heavy. And parang 360 talaga yung pinagkaiba nila. So, it's really like different character yung mabibigay ng situation here. And it's basically not pangpakilig yung yung story. It's all about, heist. So, pero syempre, meron pa rin si Pat and Grace ng mga ganun na kilig scenes.
Thank you, thank you.
Just to add lang doon sa character nila, ibang maturity of level yung romance nila dito na kailangan niya abangan. So, yun.
Thank you.
Okay, more mature na high Gab ang abangan natin. Maraming salamat po. Anna, moving on to the Inquirer, Hannah Mayorka.
Hi,
Natasha. First of all, congratulations and congratulations to everyone. So, we all know how Chupimon was really great in portraying Lynn. So, how will you set yourself apart from this in your portrayal? And paano namin mararamdaman na this is also who Atasha is as an actress?
I think what sets this apart from me is that this project is actually going to be showing a very different side of me that I can guarantee. Because what most people are used to seeing is usually that very jolly, flamboyant, very positive Tosh. Now we're going towards something a little bit more serious, tackling real life battles, real life things you go through.
So, follow-up question ko lang sa cast. So, since na-mention nga that it will talk about real-life issues among students, siguro can you give like a patikim anong real-life issue yung iko-cover ng character niyo sa series?
I would say for my character, one of the biggest issues that she deals with, without spoiling of course, she's very challenged by her morals, her moral dilemmas, and the consequences of her actions.
For me, kay Pat siguro yung relationship niya with his dad. Kasi he's the successor eh. So, yung mga hinanakit niya, tsaka yung mga bubog niya towards his relationship with his dad, yun yung pinaka-challenge sa kanya.
Nice.
Siguro yung sa akin, my family will tackle more about financial problems. And syempre, yung struggle din with having a single parent, kung paano yung dynamics ng relationship namin ng parent ko. So, yeah, yun siguro doon kayo mag-linger towards our story.
So, kay Direk naman, so I'm sure you work with them a lot of times na rin through the production. So, what makes them the perfect people to portray their characters? All four of them.
Pilyo tong apat na to. Sobrang pilyo nilang apat. Ang sarap nilang katrabaho kasi they really love their characters and the whole series. So, sila yung tipo ng mga artista na nakikipag-collaborate just to develop each character na gusto nilang gawin. Yun. And then at the same time, natutuwa sa kanila kasi meron na silang rapport sa bawat isa. Kasi kapag nagbibiroan, lalo na itong katabi ko sa kay nasa dulo, ayun, kung mag-asaran sila, kala ko parang okay, parang magkapatid na talaga. So, nakita ko yung, okay, dito din, I mean, you have a vision of what will happen sa set. And then at the same time na nakikita mo na, magtutulungan tong apat na to. And ang good thing nga doon, I don't remember kapag nagkukantuhan kami, for example, si Gab, may mga